What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the secondary air injection pump on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp right here. Get that loose, slide it off. You can try to pry this hose out. Just gonna use a pick, just slide it in there, just release this hose, just go all around, grab the hose and slide it off. Then there's a bolt right here. There should be one right there, there isn't one. And then there's another bolt on this side, right here. I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Pull those bolts out. And I can grab this, disconnect the electrical connector on the bottom, just push on the two tabs, slide it out. Take the connector, plug that in, just like that. We can line up the bracket. Take the bolt, get the bolt lined up. It's a little tricky to get this bolt lined in. We'll put this bolt in first. Put this bolt in. And then if you have that other bolt, put that one on. Take the 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. Tighten this down. Snug that one down. Take this hose, get the hose clamp lined up. Slide this back in position. We can tighten this down. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. If your clamp is sticking, you can spray a little rust penetrant in there. That's all I did. And now I was able to tighten it down, and that seems good. Now the mounts are in, it's good. The pump's nice and tight, good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.